Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at Australian dollar today in the second video against instead of the gold market. It's because our farmers are interesting with the Aussie. What is going on here? Actually, to be honest, indeed we are relatively rare taking a look at the Asian Pacific currencies, so New Zealand dollar, Australian dollar, only when we have the long-term setup, setup is forming. But still, currently on the daily, the overall situation also looks not bad. It's interesting. It's clear patterns are forming here on Aussie, so it's probably it's really we have the subject what to talk about. So actually on the daily chart we have the clear regardless equal to buy pattern, whereas market today is finishing the AB equals CD target, so it stands at the OP. It creates the agreement with the major 6 when it's support around 69 area. And from that standpoint, I would say that this is not a good point for taking any short position because we have agreement support. Overall action is not very fast, so I actually consider this really gradual legs of the ABCD patterns with the same pace approximately. And I would say that is probably more the position for short-term long entry rather than for taking the short position. It means that currently if you're watching for a short entry, it's better to wait for some pullback here and waiting for the retracement will be over and then trying to go short. Or for bull traders, that is the good scenario for taking the long position. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we have another pattern that confirms the potential reversal here. Take a look, we have the butterfly buy right at 1618, extension has been completed, market hits the daily OP. That's the background for a possible taking the position. Potentially the reversal here could be really significant because, as you know, the minimum target of the pattern is the 30% pullback based on the butterfly body. So it will be approximately maybe retesting of these lows, so around 69.60 area, somewhere in this level. But as you know, the butterfly very often becomes the part of the hand shoulders, and since as you understand, the Australian dollar stands in tight relation to the China economy and the Chinese yuan. So it will depend on the tariff situation within the United States. So if situation will become easier and we have some relief on this subject, well, in this case, maybe Australian dollar could show some deeper and stronger upward action. As a result, we could get either minor hand shoulders here, for example, or it could be larger hand shoulders when this will be left shoulder, head, right shoulder could be formed. The market could show significantly deeper and stronger upward action. So it's a bit early discussion, but that's the moment where you could think about the taking currently, let's call it a scalp trade, scalp long position, but potentially it could shift to some longer term trade. On the hourly chart, well, for a position taken, you could use maybe this kind of action. So you can see that here could be minor butterfly has been formed as well, and this could get kind of the hand shoulder shape as well. So for example, you could wait left shoulder, head, market will return right back up to 69.35, and then could be the pullback right to this level, so 69.17. This could be the bottom of the right arm. That potentially could be the point where you could take the position when the pattern will be in place. So that being said, currently I'm mostly if I would trade the Australian dollar, I would mostly be watching for opportunity to go long in the current situation because potentially that could be a really interesting setup as we see the perspective of the long trade, of the bullish trade could become even longer. So maybe it will not be limited just by the minimal pullback to the 69.70 area, but it could shift to some more significant trade. That's our view currently on the Aussie dollar.